Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video I will let you know how to add presenter notes to your PowerPoint presentation and how to present your presentation in the presenter view in PowerPoint 365. So to this end you first need to come here to slideshow tab and click on it, and then in the monitor group you need to check and use presenter view. So this must be selected, this must be checked in, and then you can add notes through two different ways, and I will let you know about both of them. The first one, you need to come to view tab, and on view tab, being in the presenter viewers, you should click on the notes page. If you click on it, here in this area you can add your notes. For example, I can add something like, in this slide I will talk about the geometric description of quantum correlation. And then I go back to normal. Here in the presentation view I click on the normal, and then from here on the bottom strip you have notes. If I click on it, what I have added in the notes section is visible over here. In this slide I will talk about the geometric description of quantum correlations. I can further change it right from here. For example, I can add something like, here I want to relative entropy. So that's how I can add notes to my slides. And now I want to go to the presenter view, and that I can do by first clicking on the slideshow, and here on the slideshow come here to more, and clicking on more I will click on show presenter view, and if I go there, now I am on the presenter view, and here you see this portion represent the slideshow to the audience, to the viewer, and here in this section you see the notes of which you have added to your presentation. In this notes is not visible to, because this is on your screen and this is on the slide screen or on the projector screen. So this part is visible to projector screen, and this is visible on your computer screen or laptop screen. And from here on the bottom you have these two options. You can increase the size of the comment by clicking on this, or you can decrease the size of the comment. You can adjust the comment as per your own visibility. And similarly at the top here you see that it gives this is a timer that record the time you are spending on a slide. So this gives you a view of how much time you are spending on a given slide. And from here you can move among the different slides and the different I can move on to now here I am on another slide, but here I don't have any notes, so they are not visible over here. You can stop the clock if you don't want. Hit on the pause button and you can stop the clock. And similarly, if I click on these three dots and I come here, I can hide the presenter view. If I click on it, I'll go to slide view, and similarly I can switch between them. I can go back to the presenter view. If I come over here and I click on it, I'll go back to the presenter view. So I can switch from presenter view to slide view, and from slide view back to presenter view, and you can see your notes in this area on the left in the right portion of the screen. Thanks for watching.